Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechRev, and I'm back with another video. So guys, today I'll be telling you that how I'm getting excellent battery timing out of my Mi Band 7, and if you follow these steps, then of course you can get equally good battery timing on your Mi Band 7, 6 and 5 also, and even rest of them if you follow it exactly like I did. So let me start with the results. Well, as you can see on the Zepp app, I've got I've fully charged like 10 days ago and it is still on 45%. So technically if I continue using it the same way I'm doing it, I'll make it around like 19 days or 20 days or maybe 18 days. So this is a good achievement given the battery issues on Mi Bands recently that are surfacing. Alright, so there is another evidence that the battery performed well, and as you can see from the second screenshot, the second result, that 13 days went past and still 26% left, and as you can see that the battery will last well over 16 days plus. So well, let me tell you how I achieved these results. So now as you can see that I've already shown that the band can last for technically can last for like 18 plus days. Let me show you that how I achieved this. Well, this is not a secret, it is just all about settings. So all you have to do is that you have to go into your Zepp app and go to health monitoring, and there you need to do some settings, and well, I've already done it, and as you can see that I've put my heart rate monitoring to 10 minutes. So always choose 10 minutes so that it consumes less battery, and put this heart rate alerts to like turn them off, and as you can see, moving on to the next category, it is sleep. Turn off all the sleep settings. You don't, if you need it then you can turn them on, but my default settings are off so that I get better battery timing. And next setting is stress. Of course, turn this off also so that you get better battery life. So the next setting, the last one, is SpO2 setting. I've turned this off also because I check it manually. I don't like continuously check my blood oxygen levels. So these are the settings that you can do in order to get 18 plus days of battery life. And of course, if you are comfortable with less than 18 days, then you can of course turn on some of the settings, like you can turn on high accuracy sleep monitoring. If you turn that on, then you can minus 2-3 days. And if you want to turn on stress setting, then you can turn that on also, and you can expect a drop of 1 or 2 days more. So like this you can work around, and even if you turn on all the settings, even in that case you should get at least 7 days. So guys, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to watch more of such content and a lot more about the Mi Bands, then do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be looking forward. Thank you.